In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore old edit on Google Vids. First, open up your project. Then at the top, click on this clock-like icon. And from there, you will instantly be redirected to the version history page. Here you can find the point where you want to restore or may want to restore. Each entry here shows the date and time of the saved edit. Now, once you find the correct version, just simply click on it and click on the Restore This Version button at the top. A confirmation message will then pop up asking you to confirm restoration of this version, and to proceed, press the Restore button. Your project will then return to that previous state, including all clips, text, and events that happened together with the effects at that specific point of time. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!